Hello, my name is Tim Bauer, and I'm a Senior Vice President with Allied Restoration Services. We recorded this video for homeowners that may be returning to their home after some of the recent wildfires. Wanted to give you some tips on best practices as you prepare to re-enter your home and make sure that it is a safe place to breathe the air and be after the wildfires. For most of us, we'll return home and find our home in pristine condition and feel a sigh of relief. But unfortunately, when you come inside, you may find some lingering effects of the wildfire that's taken place. What you'll want to do, if you have the opportunity to before evacuating, is to turn off your air conditioning during the event. For those of us with smart devices that we can access remotely, even after you leave your home, you may want to go ahead and turn off your air conditioning remotely. Once you return home, you're going to want to walk in and see if your house smells like smoke and soot. Assuming that it doesn't, it's very important that you keep your windows and doors closed. During this season, wildfires are oftentimes accompanied by really high winds that can blow soot and ash into your home even after the main wildfire has ended. Before you open any windows and doors, you're going to want to visit this link, airnow.gov, to determine what the air quality is like outside. If your community is having a bad air day, it's doubly important to keep your windows and doors closed. Ultimately, going forward as much as possible for the next few months until we've had a substantial amount of rain, you're going to want to wait to open your windows and your doors. Additionally, you're going to want to change your air conditioning filters every 2 weeks for the first month, then monthly for a few months, and then quarterly going forward. Air conditioning filters are one of those things where a lot of us will skimp and buy generic brands or maybe a less expensive name brand. And really, you get your bang for your buck on these, and we recommend buying the nicest air filters you can afford for changing out based on that scheduling. Now, do you need a company like Allied Restoration to come in and clean? Most of you, the answer will be no. But I wanted to give you 3 tips to know if you might need some professional cleaning and if filing an insurance claim may be a good idea. First of all, if when you walk in, the smoke odor is just as pungent inside your house as it is outside, you may want to call for a free consultation. You also want to look inside of your windows and in doorways to see if you see trails of soot and ash. This is evidence that the wind has blown in fire particulate into your home, and without cleaning these things professionally, you may be left with smoke odor indefinitely until you have a professional come in. The third sign you're going to want to look for is exterior shots of your home. If it is covered in soot and ash, there's a good chance that that soot and ash also blew in to any attic vents or other openings in your roof that may be open to the elements. Having your attic professionally cleaned, your insulation replaced, and your ducts cleaned may be in order. The best course of action, if you're experiencing either the smell of smoke inside, the sight of soot in your windows or doorways, or if the exterior of your home is covered in soot and ash, is to call a professional company like Allied Restoration. We offer free consultations on site to determine if it makes sense for you to file an insurance claim or even if you need professional cleaning. We're here to assist, and operators are standing by. Call us at 888-860-1003 or email us at claims@alliedrestoration.com, and we are glad to assist. Have a great day and be safe.